Hi, my name is Jasmine and welcome to the second quick start video of Software AG's Cumulocity IoT. Today, we are going to talk about device management. If you have watched the first tutorial and successfully logged in and discovered the cockpit, then you are now ready to attach your first device. So, let's get started. Devices are attached to Cumulocity IoT using the Device Management app, which is accessible from the welcome screen or the app switcher. This app also allows you to administer and configure all of your devices. To add a device, we must first click on the quick link labelled Add Device, or open the Device Management app from the app switcher and click the Registered Device menu on the left. Next, enter a device ID, add the device to a group and click on Register Device. A pop-up banner will let you know that the device has been recognised, but there is one more important step to go. You must accept the device connection. To do this, make sure you are in the Device Management app. Click the Registration menu and you should see the device you have just registered. Simply click the Accept button and the device registration is complete. Your device is now connected to your Cumulocity IoT tenant. Depending upon how many devices you have connected, you may find it's easier to view devices in a list view or a grid view. Simply click on the Display As menu and choose the view that works best for you. If you have a large number of devices to connect, you may want to consider a batch registration using a CSV file. If you have any questions on how to build the CSV file, just let us know. But assuming you have the file, using it to bulk register devices is easy. Simply click on the Upload button in the top right of the screen near the app switcher. Now, browse to your chosen file and click Open. Cumulocity IoT will load each device into your device inventory and confirm the number of devices. To edit the profile of a single device, click on the All Devices menu. You will see a list of all devices, then you simply need to click on the device you are interested in. You will see all of the information for that device, such as name, type, date, and the time the device last communicated with Cumulocity IoT, and so on. Depending on the device type, submenus are available, such as measurements, alarms, control, and much more. Basically, everything you need to know about this particular device. You can remove a device from the inventory by hovering over the device in the device list and clicking on the red delete button on the right. It's important to note that this removes the device from the inventory, but not from the Cumulocity IoT tenant. To remove it from the entire platform, click on Device Management and then Device Credentials from the navigation menu on the left of the screen. Simply hover over the device you wish to remove and click the red delete button on the right. One of the most important features of device management is alarms. Alarms alert you to any problem that might develop with devices or machinery, so someone can react quickly. From the navigation menu on the left, expand the Overviews menu and click on Alarms to see a complete list of all open alarms. You can easily filter this list by using small filter icons on each of the column headers. To easily see alarms raised by an individual device, go to the Devices menu, click on All Devices, choose the device you are interested in, and then click Alarms to see the alarm raised for that device. Alarms are categorised into 4 different priorities: critical, major, minor, and warning. Alarms can be easily filtered simply by clicking on the required priority. On the right-hand side of the screen, there is a small down arrow for each alarm. By clicking on the arrow, you can see more detail for that alarm. Also, there are 3 states that indicate how an alarm is being handled. Alarms can have a status of active, acknowledged, or resolved. Should an alarm occur more than once, it will not appear in the list multiple times. Instead, identical alarms will increment a counter, which is shown in red in the alarm description. Smart rules can be created to trigger specific alarms. To learn more about these, please watch our cockpit tutorial. Finally, If you have many devices in your inventory, it is a good idea to create device groups. Creating groups is also covered in our cockpit tutorial. That is all we have time for in this device management video. We hope you have found it useful, and if you have any questions at all, just click this link and we'll get right back to you. Thank you, and be sure to tune in to the other videos in this series to see how to create dashboards and much more.